Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video I'll tell you how to fix your Face ID not working on iPhone. But first, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for more upcoming videos. So let's start the video without wasting any time. iPhone Face ID not working? Try fixing it with these steps. There are few things more frustrating than trying to unlock your phone or pay with Apple Pay only to have your phone ask for your passcode instead. Luckily, if Face ID isn't working, there are a few easy steps you can take to fix it. Your first move should be restarting your iPhone. You'd be surprised at how often turning your phone off and on again can fix minor issues. For this, go to Settings, go to General, scroll down to the bottom and tap Shutdown. You can wait for some time and after some time press the power button until the Apple logo appears and your phone is again start. And the next step is to make sure that your phone is running on the latest version of iOS. For this, go to Settings, go to General, go to Software Update. If an update is available, then update your phone to the latest version of iOS. Doing so can address bugs and ensure the best possible performance, and you are done. In the next step, I'm going to tell you how to set up an alternate appearance. For this, open the Settings app, scroll down, go to Face ID and passcode, enter your passcode when prompted, tap the option that says Set up an alternate appearance and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the process, and you're done. In the next step, I'm going to tell you how to reset Face ID. If setting up an alternate appearance doesn't work, try resetting Face ID by opening Settings, scrolling down, choosing Face ID and passcode, entering your passcode, scrolling down again and tapping Reset Face ID. You can also try changing certain settings. There are also a few settings you can try changing in the Face ID and passcode section of the iPhone setting menu that may resolve your issue. For instance, you may not have Face ID turned on for certain tasks like contactless payments or password autofill. To check, make sure the green switch next to these options under the Use Face ID 4 section of the Face ID and passcode option in the setting menu is turned on. You could also try toggling off the Require Attention for Face ID setting, which makes it so that Face ID only works when you are looking at the camera. And you're done. I hope this video will help you in your Face ID working properly. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.